Hi there, broadcasting from the tuna capital of the Philippines, General Santos City. Let us meet our life-changing club presidents and secretaries. Allow me to fly over to Cebu, starting off with Area 1A, the Rotary Club of Cebu East, Heinz Ignatius Ackerman and Richard Sharp. Rotary Club of Cebu, LC Hinlo. Area 2C now, Rotary Club of Central Davao, Tadashi Kanda and Lalaine Valmores. Rotary Club of Downtown Davao, Andrea de la Serna and Sheila May Toledo. Rotary Club of East Davao, Sheldon Canas and Jacito. Hi there, broadcasting from the tuna capital of the Philippines, General Santos City. Let us meet our life-changing club presidents and secretaries. Allow me to fly over to Cebu, starting off with Area 1A, the Rotary Club of Cebu East, Heinz Ignatius Ackerman and Richard Sharp. Rotary Club of Cebu, Gloria Maris, Wilma Salvador, and Cheryl Abelia. Rotary Club of Cebu South, Emmanuel Lutihio and Honaline Rosa Rosso. Rotary Club of Talisay, James Joseph Diquito and Margot Araceli Aldea. Area 1B, Rotary Club of Cebu, Jacob Ong and Charles Vincent Ong. What a coincidence there. Rotary Club of Cebu Port Center, Antonio Sulay II and Aldrin Bantilan. Rotary Club of Metro Cebu, power couple, Jonathan Zabate and Josefina Zabate. Rotary Club of Cebu Naga Central, Eric Braille Adlawan and Marlito Cabigas. Area 1C, Rotary Club of Banilad Metro, Mary Christine Chua and Chesa Marie Palace. Rotary Club of Cebu Midtown, Ray Paulo Lutihio and Annie Joy Ann. Rotary Club of Cebu West, Carlo Anton Apolinar Suarez and Alberto Ignacio Jr. Rotary Club of Metro Bogo, Lyndon Acuzar and Vicente Orsal. Area 1D, Rotary Club of Cebu Fuente, Bernardo Amago IV and Jose Marie Ponce. Rotary Club of Cebu Guadalupe, Nerissa Corazon Ruiz and Joanna Marie Gordon. Looking good there, ladies. Rotary Club of Cebu North, Jennifer Moreno and Lloyd Alaviado. The Rotary Club of Cebu Fort San Pedro, Shane Hetutua and Josephus Gonzalez. Rotary Club of Mandaue East, Cheryl Marie Fulache and Nicole Roldan. Rotary Club of Mactan under Area 1E, Manny Ramirez and Maita Manglapus. Rotary Club of Mandaue, Arsenio Mata and Delia Tan. Rotary Club of Mandaue North, Charles Lawrence Ting and Ervina Balaga. Rotary Club of Metro Mandaue 2006, Tricia Marie Chiong C and February Ann Canoy. And let's fly over to Bohol. The Rotary Club of Panglao Island, Area 1F, Arthur Bagkat and Marcelo Fudalan. Rotary Club of Tagbilaran, Ray Colin Hubak and Gladys Galientes. Rotary Club of Tubigon, Delia Lasco and Victoria Heyrana. Rotary Club of Ubay, Erzon Gamos and Reyninho Olaguer. Rotary Club of Central Hagna, Apolinar Cadilenia and Maria Lowella Humawan. Rotary Club of Upper Tagbilaran, George Saniza and Lochel Zanoria. Area 2A, Rotary Club of Davao, the Land of the Eagles, Arnold Navales and Lester Joan Suarez. Rotary Club of Davao 2000, Norma Tubalia and Bert Ronald Kongson. Rotary Club of North Davao, Aldwin Intong and Ian Mandro Amandoron. Rotary Club of South Davao, Michael Gerard Chalaturay and Esther Gahul. Area 2B Rotary Club of Matina, Davao, Modesto Castillo and Arwin Ardon. Rotary Club of Pag-asa, Davao, Kristen Joy Alinio and Develyn Avelina Kilantang. Rotary Club of Santa Ana, Davao, Andrew Paul Vertusio and Corina Guerrero. Rotary Club of Waling Davao, my very good friend Janet Valderosa and Estela Maribel Villela. Rotary Club of Turil, Davao, Oderico Filonco and Elsie Hinlo. Area 2C now, Rotary Club of Central Davao, Tadashi Kanda and Lalaine Valmores. Rotary Club of Downtown Davao, Andrea de la Serna and Sheila May Toledo. Rotary Club of East Davao, Sheldon Canas and Jacito Villamor. Rotary Club of West Davao, Jose Maria Tionco and Dennis Domingo. Area 2C, Rotary Club of Kalina, Davao, Reggie Osorio and Josie Osorio. Let us move over to Area 2D, Rotary Club of Compostela Valley, Joselito Caballero and Ivan Kleb Olgasan. Rotary Club of Central Panabo City, Emmanuel Pamisaran and Myra Meath Bangoy. Rotary Club of Tagum, Beethoven Robinas and Romeo Hamiro. Rotary Club of Tagum Golden Laces, Marilda Boja and Marielina Baura. Area 2D, Rotary Club of Tagum North, Revedor Pereiras and another good friend Arnold Nicolas. Area 2E, Rotary Club of Bansalan 2015, Henry Latorre and Analu Frias. Rotary Club of Digos, Fernand Fagutao and Romeo de la Cruz. Rotary Club of South Digos, Nancy Mijares and Dolly Fanlo. Area 3A now, Rotary Club of Borongan, Leo Vigildo Cardenas. And Secretary, Rotary Club of Calbayog, Sandro Daguman and Laverisa Barnizo. Rotary Club of Catarman, Merly P. Aliado and another good friend Stanley Tabiando. Rotary Club of Catbalogan, Alva Baranda and Natalie Velardo. Area 3A, Rotary Club of Greater Calbayog, Marlene Longara and Rolando Lacbo. Area 3B, Rotary Club of Candaya Tacloban, Irish Loterio and Blessing Faith Javier. Rotary Club of Cancabato Tacloban, Sigmundo Katingob and Geraldine Barsana. Rotary Club of Lady Golf Tacloban, John James Matriano and Humberto Franco. Rotary Club of San Juanico, love that place, Carl Heinz Basco and Elias Ayaay Jr. Rotary Club of Tacloban, Robert Andrade and Mark Esperancilla. Rotary Club of Central Tacloban, Domingo Fuentebella and Roben Maceda. Area 3C, the Rotary Club of Biliran Island, Firmo Cabanillas Jr. and Jane Marie Henson. Area 3C, Rotary Club of Ormoc, my favorite people. All eyes now on the Rotary Club of Ormoc, the club of our incoming Governor-elect Anna, Joel Ngo and Josephine Romero. Hi there. Area 3C, Rotary Club of Ormoc Bay, Rodette Arevalo and Ivan Ben Barsala. Rotary Club of Maasim City, Maria Luisa Gonzalez and Marialine Alman. Area 3D, Rotary Club of Dumaguete, Lionel Hinoso and Jeffrey Duran. Rotary Club of Dumaguete East, Ray Lyndon Lawas and Rodolfo Jule Loxin Jr. Rotary Club of Dumaguete North, Nilo Barandog and Mark Anthony Trevilla, Rotary Club of Dumaguete South, Renante Angelo Lim, and Aurelio Bodo. Area 3E, Rotary Club of Tolong, Tom Opeña and Charles Peter Saunders. Rotary Club of Bais City, Wington Chang and Genoveva Juan Uy. Rotary Club of Siquijor Island, Wolf Feinhaus and Sel Lagasse. Now let's move over back home. Area 3F, Rotary Club of General Santos City, Roland Rafael Aquino and Mark Philip Mariveles. Rotary Club of Jensen Tunaport, Lawrence Carandang and Susan Cortejos. Rotary Club of Midtown General Santos, James Carpe and Venancio Gamalo Jr. Rotary Club of Palomalok 101, very dear friend Lani Castañaga and Rizalde Cruz. Rotary Club of the Viangas, Area 3G, Ernesto de Guzman and Maxim Dennis Doria. Rotary Club of Greater General Santos, my club, Cecil Valencia and Esther Marian Balolot. The Rotary Club of Metro de Diangas, Oliver Masendo and Samuel Sia. Area 3H, Rotary Club of Central Palomalok, Ivy Balusan and Earl John Dulia. Rotary Club of Coronadal, Michael Montelibano and Felix Estrabon. Area 3H, Rotary Club of Coronadal Central, Maribel Agreda and Heba Abdullah Labiao. Rotary Club of Marbel, Evelyn Tampos and Ria Savares. Rotary Club of Bushman North were now in Area 3I, Jaswinder Singh and Joel Lobrino. Rotary Club of Central Kabadbaran, Mandeep Singh and Christine Bayer. Rotary Club of Downtown Butuan, Marisol Cosme and Abigail Nomis Penaso. Rotary Club of Butuan East Central, Celeste Paler and Helen Grace of FEMA. Area 3J, Rotary Club of Butuan. Hi there, Franklin Tavo and Julio Ignacio Alburo. Rotary Club of Central Butuan, Mary Grace Villanueva and Richelle May Cordova. Rotary Club of Midtown Butuan, Rosalyn Cortel and Rhoda Antoinette David. Rotary Club of Uptown Butuan, Jeffrey Hongcolada and Lon Albert Chong. Area 3K, Rotary Club of Central Surigao, Joseph Calderon and Ronel Salmayor. Rotary Club of Metro Surigao, Abe Galania and Young Alaniel Bumanglag. Rotary Club of Surigao City, Antonio Sopera Jr. and Alfonsito Amoncio. Rotary Club of Surigao Midtown Jewels, Elizabeth Corbetta and Fernalyn Mozar. Area 3L, Rotary Club of Bislig, Edelberto Carmen and Elizabeth Gardones. Rotary Club of San Francisco, Justin Elaine Philip Bernaz and Maria Veronica Ivy Torrefranca. Rotary Club of Central Tandag, Julie Senense and Cherise Diana Pasaporte. Congratulations and welcome to a life-changing year. Thank you so much.